Hey guys, happy what is today? Y'all already know. Don't get in these comments acting crazy. Y'all already know she don't be remembering. Today is Wednesday though. Wednesday, October the 14th. I hope you all are having a very, very great day. Hold on a second. Let me take off my seatbelt. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go and Habitat for Humanity just to see if they have any chairs, and hopefully, I mean, if I find something, I find something. If I don't, I don't. I'm not gonna worry about it. I just feel like I got good energy, and the chairs will come to me some type of way, because I am gonna probably have to take those other chairs back. Um, because I'm not gonna like put them in the dining room and then switch that out. It's just too, I'm not doing all that, because then I'm gonna have a house full of chairs. I'm not doing that. So I'm just gonna look for something that's like more like farmhouse modern, just like a dining room. I don't know. Y'all see, I'm just gonna keep on and on and on. I don't want to keep doing that. So I hope you all are having a great day. And OOTD, y'all. Jeans, wool sweater. This is a cozy sweater. Got pockets. Got my blue jean jacket. It's actually 6 degrees, probably cooler than yesterday, but I'll take it. I'm grateful for whatever we get. So guys, thank you for all your lovely comments in the last video. I think, well, by the time you see this, I don't know. But anyway, somebody said those chairs don't go with their table. I know that. So I'm a person who, I have done staging, all that kind of stuff. I've worked with decor, different kind of decor, different kind of decor scenes. So if you don't know, you can mix different things. You can mix modern with boho. You can fix contemporary with what is that other one? Oh gosh, I can't remember right now. But you can mix different types of styles, and they will go together. I think that I already have that in my house. So if you don't know that, you should know that by the way my house is styled already. So yeah. And a lot of you were saying, Sonia, you look good, you look happy. Guys, when you take care of yourself, I'm just going to say this and then we're going to head inside. When you take care of yourself from the inside out, you are automatically going to just not look great. You're going to feel great, because you are doing things for yourself. Those things are going to come out on the outside. I live right. I don't hurt people. I don't do undermined things. I don't do nothing that you're not supposed to be doing. So just think about it. What I'm saying is, I don't do stuff that most people do every day. And I'm just being honest. I don't always try to just live right, because that's what we're supposed to do. I always try to be a light in the world, give back or whatever. Less of myself and more for other people. Now I ain't gonna just let nobody just walk all over me or anything, but yeah, when you eat right, you take care of your body, working out, eating right, having good energy in your life, those things are gonna help you, and it's gonna come out on the outside. So yeah, my eyes are bright, right? Are they bright? Yeah, they're bright. So yeah, and it's another thing I have been incorporating into my life, and I'm gonna share with y'all. So this does work, and I feel like it works for me. And guys, you have to get away from stuff. I'm telling you, once you incorporate these 4 things I'm gonna share with you guys, and recite these and say these every single day, I guaranteed you, you're gonna see some stuff in your life. He's gonna reveal things to you. Oh my, I'm telling you, I want y'all to come back and let me know in the comments if it's been happening. So it's 4 things. One of them is restore, rebuke, remove, restore, rebuke, remove, and reveal. Think about it. Restore, rebuke, remove, and reveal. You should already know what that means. Restore, remove, rebuke, and reveal. Okay? Remember those. Because if you keep asking that every day, he's going to do it. He's going to do it. So be looking for some shift changes when you do that, because it's going to work. I've been doing it for a long time. He's going to, just do it. Just do it. Okay. That's all I got to say. So I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to go in here, and if I can bring y'all along, I'm going to do that. And then I'll probably see y'all guys in another clip or something of this video. Okay. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my God. Oh, where is this? Oh, wow. Sorry, y'all, but I wasn't successful in there. Y'all seen the chairs they had. Those brown chairs was kind of cute. Would go really good with that table, but they're hard. I want something more like with fabric on it, so it would be kind to sit on, you know, for comfortability and for, you know, people who need to have like comfort. I know I need comfort, so those wouldn't work, but they were nice for $25. That's like half the fraction of the cost of the chairs that I'm probably gonna have to take back, y'all. I got 30 days to get some chairs, so oh boy. Yeah. Oh, um, the decor I was talking about, the style design was Scandinavian. So Scandinavian decor, you guys can look it up. You can mix it with modern and contemporary. It still looks nice together. You guys, I think I told y'all that in another video. So today is Wednesday, and I want to go to Rose's, but a part of me does not because I don't need nothing. I really don't need anything, y'all. I need to go get some gas and get back to work. So I will see you guys in a little while, okay? Oh, yeah. That is really pretty.
You okay?
Yeah. Just, oh, that is really pretty. Oh my God, let me see. That's super pretty. That's pretty. Oh my God. These are gorgeous. Woo. Oh no, this one is pretty. What is this? Oh, that's really pretty. Oh, yes. Oh, they don't have. That is so pretty. All right, guys, I'm back home. It's almost like this clock is a little slow. I mean, a little fast or whatever. I don't know, one of the two. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video because I almost forgot like to exit y'all out. Hold on, let me see something. See if you guys are okay. I just wanted to make sure that you guys can see me because I'm getting ready to wash. I have clothes on the dryer to be folded up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And also too, what was I saying? Don't forget all those R's, the renew, restore, reveal, and rebuke. Don't forget that. And then guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that part of the video where I went into another furniture store that was nearby to see if they had any chairs. No luck there. So I think what I'm gonna just do is I'm actually just going to take those chairs back probably this sometime this week before the week is out, and do it that way. That way I won't have to worry about, I don't know. I'd rather just go ahead and take those chairs and put them up. I mean, take them back rather, and just probably use one of the chairs. I already have like other chairs on that dining room table that I can bring in here if it's that serious. But I do here, I eat in here. I read my word in here. So I'm gonna miss the chairs, but they are so pretty, and it's not. I mean, I can't help that they don't fit. I need something that's more. Y'all know those chairs that's like they probably come 4 in the pack and they have like the nail head trim on them. I need something like that that's very simple. I do want them to be gray, maybe a lighter gray than that. So yeah, so guys, like I said, I hope you enjoyed today's video or vlog. And once I can find some chairs, y'all already know I'm gonna bring y'all along. So you can bet yourself assured of that one. And yeah, keep being good to yourself, guys. Loving yourselves, doing right by people, and yeah, you can live a good life, and you can be happy, you can be free, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get these clothes washed, and do what I gotta do, and then I'm going to actually this stuff is still got the tag on it. Okay, I'm gonna get ready to fix some dinner. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video really soon. If you guys want to ask me some questions or whatnot, go in the comments and leave me some messages, and I will talk to y'all in the next video. Bye guys.